Okay, so this video ended up taking way longer than I thought it would to edit because we recorded, I think about 260 gigabytes worth. So this is going to be cut up in two parts. This is part one. This part does not actually have motorcycles. I'm sorry. It does have a lot of woodworking though. The next one is going to start on the day that we took out that street glide. Tune in for the next one as well, but watch this one too. All right. Welcome back, everybody. So today, you might be asking yourself, where am I? Where's the Sportster? It's not here. We flew out this morning to visit my family in Utah here. So we are gonna be doing some fun stuff. We're probably gonna shoot some guns. Then we're gonna visit some national parks. I'm gonna try my hand at a street glide. We're gonna take a street glide out and go riding and see what Utah has to offer for riding. We're gonna do a little bit of riding, mainly more fun activities. I gotta remember to try and record as much as I can. Like, I didn't get anything in the airport. I'm shy, believe it or not.
He's good.
Hi, Papas.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Look at this adorable dog. It's like a Newfoundland poodle mix. It's pretty good weather out here too. It's supposed to be the hottest on the day we ride, so that'll be awesome. Nice 81 degrees, like we're used to. It is the next day. Didn't get much done yesterday. We just had a little family get together. The ladies are gonna go out to watch a play. I think they're going to see Les Mis. The men are gonna do manly things. I think we're gonna do some woodworking. I think we're gonna build a desk because my computer/editing desk needs an upgrade. I just have some crappy old IKEA desks. So we're gonna go over to my brother's house. I'll record some of that, get some time-lapse footage. It'll be super cool. We're gonna go build a desk. Maybe. We're gonna start with the planing. Look at this beauty. I'm just messing. So now we're going to be making the butterfly joints. My brother knows technical stuff. I do not. Yes, so something slightly less deformed than this. Looks okay, I suppose. I'm gonna hammer in this little butterfly. I caught my finger. Okay, now we're putting in biscuits. I dropped all the biscuits. Next step, yeah, we're gonna clamp them all together, glue everything, and that's it for tonight. Man, that was a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. So this is our ending point. We're all clamped up and glued. It's gonna sit overnight. Yeah, we've only been doing this for like 7 hours. Right. Yeah, well, we'll be back tomorrow. Next day, shooting time. You want to try and hit the targets. I'm gonna start with the Mosin gun. We're about to say goodbye to this table. Hello. So much fun. Yay. Besides motorcycles, nothing really beats coming out and shooting shit.
3.5.
I'll do it. We shot stuff. So after shooting like men, we gotta come to the trampoline house. What is it, hang time or something? Never been to one of these. But we got all the kids. And me, I'm a kid too, about to go down the slide. Later, sucker! All about streamline efficiency. Double front flip first attempt. This thing is a workout. Ugh. I missed. Oh, I'm tired. Very tired. Did a double front flip and a back flip into the foam pit. Have you know? We made it. Burned like 1,000 calories. It's a pretty good workout. Now we're gonna go eat with my brother and his wife. Double date. Where are we going?
I don't know. Do you know what these
We're
are?
going. We're eating. So we went shooting for a couple hours. We went bouncing on trampolines for like an hour and a half. We're sore. We're beat. So he had this adjustable desk base. But this is gonna be sweet because it's gonna be a nice angular black frame. Metal, which is kind of what I wanted. We were gonna do black legs, so we're gonna finish like the surfacing the table and everything, and it'll have a sweet adjustable desk. Thanks, bro. He does wood stuff. Sanding time. Now we're gonna try routing the edges to an angle. Looks pretty sweet, right? All right, so we're gonna go back to finishing the sand.
Always finish.
Yeah, don't get sanding blue balls.
What are you doing?
In the fresh air because it's full of sawdust. I'm allergic to trees. We're just finding out not cedar, so that's good. I didn't bring my EpiPen, so I probably would be dead. There you go, nice contrast shadow and light. Gives you a good shot of that. And now we're going to fill all of our little chunks with some wood patch. That's it for today. We sanded, we edged, we filled. But we're going to mount the hardware for the bottom tomorrow and stain, and then we'll be done. We're back the next day. We're going to look at butterflies because butterflies are cool. Do you feel like a tourist today?
Yeah.
Just tell people I'm part of a famous television program. It'll be fine. A giant butterfly literally landed on my mom's forehead just now. It was awesome. Oh, here's a bunch of them. Oh, look at that guy. Just floating on by. Tons of butterflies. Oh, oh. It almost landed on my head. Land on me, butterflies. Apparently they like bananas. Oh, look at that one that's like clear. Hello, little butterfly.
Get out of my way.
Want to take a load off? Alright, so that was the butterfly biosphere. Now we're heading to, I think, a tulip garden. We're gonna walk around, check out some flowers. Tulips. We're living the high life today. We ain't about this walking pleb life. Taking the golf cart. Oh, we missed a miracle. Living large on the golf cart here. The gas is a little jerky, but that's better than walking.
The secret garden. It's a secret.
It's not a very good secret if they post a sign outside that says secret garden. That'll be the end of it. You know what are we doing?
Brewery.
And after the tulip garden, we go to the strap tank. See what a Utah brewery has to offer. It's a pleasant surprise. It's like kind of a Harley themed brewery here. But they have Harley from 1907 on display up here. And you've got here. It's cool. And their beers. You've got the Sportster, Flathead American Lager, your Road King, your Ape Hanger. Very cool. I got the Road King. The Road King Kolsch. What'd you get? She got the white peach cider.
I'm glad you checked. I think it'd be worth it to get on.
Not too sweet, delicious.
I like it.
This thing was strap tank.
There.
Oh, it was on. How's the Road King?
It tastes like coffee.
There's a big old bowl of fish and chips.
Yeah, it is.
Then we got the chicken fried steak.
Yours looks good.
No,
I wanna
it's
buy
chicken
it.
fried chicken. Substituted my vegetables for potatoes only. Want to be on my YouTube, Mom? That's Mom.
Favorite.
Chicken fried chicken. Decent. I've warmed up to gravy lately. I wasn't a gravy person when I was a kid. Sorry, Mom. She made biscuits and gravy a lot. I wasn't a fan. What's next? Gonna go finish that table with my brother. She's gonna go take a nap. We're gonna move this thing along. Okay. So we got the wood fill. Wood fill's dried. We're gonna sand it off. There he is. We're gonna try and do this quickly. All right, here's our noob paint job, or stain job. My noob stain job. It's probably not even, but you know,
There's only one way to tell.
it's my desk. We're doing the clear coat. I mean, we're probably gonna screw it up, but yeah, who cares? So, what are we gonna do? Tomorrow's riding bikes, and then he's gonna do a little bit of work without me. And then we're gonna finish it up probably tomorrow night after the ride and be done. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Please flip the tape over to side B.